Have you ever gotten to the checkout line at the grocery store and glanced in your cart and realized that you don't need half of what's in there? Have you ever left the grocery store feeling a little bit guilty about how much you spent, even though you got everything on your list? Have you ever gotten home from the grocery store, unpacked everything, only to realize you still need another ingredient for dinner? Are you a little bit worried about inflation and increasing food prices? If any of these sound like you are not alone, and I'm here to help. Healthy Mama on a Budget is here to help you take back control of your grocery spending so you can eat well and spend less. But this isn't just about what you do at the grocery store. This is about learning how to plan, shop, and think like a budget-minded cook. This is about mindset shifting and habit building so that no matter if your family size changes, your financial situation changes, or your life changes in general, you'll still have the skills to be able to spend exactly how much you want to at the grocery store while eating in a way that's nourishing and feels good for you and your family. This isn't just spending the least amount we can on groceries. This is about grocery budgeting for the person who cares about their health and doesn't care too much about couponing. You want to eat well and you want to spend less. I'm Chris Dovniak. I'm the founder of Healthy Mama Chris. I'm a chef, recipe developer, and mom of two, and I am by no means a finance expert. But that doesn't mean I don't know a ton about grocery budgeting. I was a personal chef for half a decade, and while I was a personal chef, I spent week after week shopping for other people's groceries. I had a limit that I had to stick to, and they had dietary restrictions and meals that they wanted me to make for them, and I had to learn fast how to make a budget work no matter what that looked like, while still giving these families delicious meals that were also nutritious. And I also care about these things for my own family. So I have learned tips and tools, mindset shifts, and habits over the years to help me stick to a grocery budget that feels good for me and feels good for my family without ever feeling strained or without feeling like we can't eat the way we want to eat. And that's exactly what I want for all of you. In this course, I'm going to share with you all of my best secrets to eating well on a budget. I'm going to teach you how to plan, how to shop, how to create your budget, how to cook with budget in mind, how to set up your kitchen, and so much more. So that you can eat foods that are delicious and nourishing and feel good for your family all around. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in.